Hold up, wait a minute. Why y'all acting like that? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Listen, you act like you don't know who I am. Oh my goodness, y'all. Yes, it's your girl, Sweet Angel, and I'm back with a video for you, and it's one that we ventured into time and time again. You always ask, what's your favorite face pack, Sweet Angel? And I am sharing and sharing and sharing the things that I do for my skin, and here is one that you'll love. It is immediate results with this anti-aging skin tightening home remedy with just one ingredient. That's it. Listen, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit the bell, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you'll be in the know the next time I wash my face. Just kidding. We are cleansing the face right now, getting ready to put on a face pack that is so easy. Just go to your kitchen and you'll be able to whip this one up. I assure you, it is so easy. Listen, come here. Come a little closer. Now look on my desk. Boom, a bowl. And guess what else? Just one more thing. Y'all. Hold on. Let me do some little house cleaning. Okay, I didn't know I was going to do all this right now. Move this out the way and move that out the way. And let's get to... boom. The egg. Yes, it's an egg. And you know what we're doing today? We are doing this one ingredient homemade face pack using the egg. Absolutely. We're only going to be using the egg whites, and egg whites hold two important ingredients for the skin. That's protein and collagen. In fact, collagen has been shown to be so prevalent in eggs that it is found in the shell membrane, the yolk, and the egg white. Okay, but we're only going to be using the egg whites today. But I wanted to visit this one because I've gotten so many questions on the egg. Some people ask, is it safe to put raw egg on your face, Sweet Angel? Well, yes, but let me tell you this, and I wanted to make sure that you know, raw eggs can carry salmonella bacteria, which can cause infection if they enter the body. If a person is using egg whites on their face, they should take care when applying the mask to ensure they do not accidentally consume or get any of the uncooked egg in the eyes. So just take that precaution, okay? Also be careful when applying to ensure that no egg gets in or near your hair or brows, because you know it can kind of like take it out a little bit there, okay? Now let me tell you this, what does egg do to your face? Yes, you asked the question. Now for aging skin, egg whites can help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites can close pores and get rid of buildup. If your skin is oily, egg whites are said to clarify pores and hair follicles that make too much sebum. Egg white masks are also super versatile. And yes, people think that eggs are harmful to the skin. Well, let me tell you, eggs are great for the skin. They help soften, firm, and hydrate the skin. They contain amino acids that help in generation of new skin cells. Now right now I'm just mixing the eggs, just blending it up, making it really frothy. It's easier to apply it this way. That's why I'm doing it instead of just using it right out of the egg, and it's going to be slimy and all of that and really doesn't adhere to the skin. This way it will in fact adhere. The frother, I will have the link below. As you know, I always do. Got it from Amazon. Yes, blend, make it all frothy. And in order to apply this, try to find you either some cotton rounds or either like a little fan brush to apply it to your face. And that's going to be the next step. We're going to go ahead and get this applied to the face, and that's very simple. I am going to use cotton rounds today, so let's get to that and simply apply it. Again, avoiding the eyebrows, avoiding the hairline, avoid your mouth Do not get this in your mouth or your eyes or any open membranes, okay? So make sure you take your time in doing this and apply it a thin layer, and then I go back and I apply another layer of it on my face. Is this a permanent fix? Well, no, this is not a permanent fix. You've asked how long does it last? This is, of course, temporary. And it depends on your skin how long you will see the lift. It is typically recommended to use egg white face packs once a week. Now, however, you may adjust the frequency according to how your skin reacts to the mask. You can use this egg pack remedy up to twice a week to enjoy firm and radiant skin. Oh yes, I do get the question all the time on this one. Will this work on my body as well? Well, let me tell you, because the skin on the face and neck are different than the rest of your body, this is only helpful for facial and neck treatments. Okay, now once you apply this mask, let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cool water and a mild cleanser. Pat it dry. I use a paper towel in rinsing and washing my face off when I use egg, again because of the possibilities of any bacteria. I just want everything to stay on something disposable. I then, of course, moisturize my face immediately. Yes, y'all, egg whites are great for anti-aging with naturally occurring vitamin D and also rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and E. Eggs help prevent the formation of new wrinkles. It's the vitamin E in eggs that work for combating those free radicals responsible for cellular damage. Eggs are also dense in vitamin A, which helps boost the skin's elasticity. It's the egg whites for me. The benefits of this mask is tremendous. Yes, it is. This is a simple and basic egg pack that helps to tone, tighten, and refresh your skin. Egg whites firm your skin by removing excess dirt, oil, and dead cells off of your face. Now, you're also in the process, this may also remove unwanted facial hair. So keep that in mind. And again, do not get it close to your eyebrows or your hairline. You're talking about firming and shrinking your pores. This one mask can do it. It'll help reduce puffiness under your eyes. Check out after I remove this mask just the difference that you see. And if you're trying to get rid of blemishes on your face, this mask will also help you in that. Minimizing oily skin. Here it is, right here in this one mask. Protect your face from UV rays and eliminate blackheads. I'm so happy to share this one with you, and I'm so happy to be doing it today because my skin needed it so much. After I rinse off the egg mask, the first thing I grab is my Avon Anew Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This is packed with as much vitamin C as in 30 oranges. This super serum here is going to illuminate your dull, tired skin to look visibly energized. And of course, we all know the great benefits of vitamin C on the skin is tremendous. Vitamin C promotes collagen production. Vitamin C's benefits for the skin are vast, including its ability to even out skin tone and diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. What a powerhouse! And then the other product that I've already mentioned in a previous video is the Dysar Collagen Beauty Cream. This you apply to your forehead, neckline, smile lines, wrinkles, facial spots. It's going to help with dry skin, help with also tightening up those weak muscles in the face, which will help give the skin elasticity. This is great. It's collagen infused. It's going to provide tremendous moisturizing and lifting effects. You've done a whole complete transformation of your skin with doing just these few little things. And okay, yeah, you can thank me later. I am your girl, Sweet Angel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If in fact you did, show me your support by putting a like on this video. Spam in the comments. Just drop me some comments. Drop me some hearts. Tell me who you are. Introduce yourself in the comments. Tell me where you're chiming in from, what city, state, and country. That would mean the world to me. Absolutely, it will help boost this video into the algorithms, and let's explore new horizons right here on YouTube. Y'all, this mask is so amazing. You should try it. In the meantime and in between time, y'all make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, because I'll be back with more videos. Signing out for now, and keep on doing what you're doing. That is sharing me with your world.